Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? It's your boy Altered Tech back again with a new video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday morning. I'm happy for you guys to be joining me right now. So in this video, I'll be talking about why exactly did I choose the OnePlus 6T over the OnePlus 6. So the OnePlus 6T actually came out in the beginning of November. So it's been about 2 months now, or almost 3 months since it's been out. Now, this is not 5 reasons for you to choose the OnePlus 6T over the OnePlus 6. This is just the 5 reasons why me as a consumer I actually picked up the OnePlus 6T over the OnePlus 6. So first off, real quick, we gotta talk about the battery. Now you're getting a 3700 mAh battery on the 6T, aside from a 3300 mAh battery on the 6. Now that's a 400 mAh difference, and that means a lot to me since battery life is very important to me. Some of you guys may have seen my Motorola E5 Super videos, and you guys know that that's one of my most favorite phones, pretty much because of the battery life and that stock Android performance. Now for number 4, you do have double the storage. So instead of starting off with 64 gigabytes, you'll be getting a base model of 128 gigabytes of storage. So you're getting an extra 64 gigabytes of memory, and that's very important for me because I will be taking a lot of photography and 4K videos. Not having to worry about extra space and not having to pay more for extra storage does mean a lot to me as well. Reason number 3, some of you guys may have not known this, but the OnePlus 6T comes with more bands, and it also supports about 233 carriers from around the world. And as you guys can see right now, pretty much my signal quality has been pretty good. I've been swapping SIMs, and I gotta say the signal quality on the OnePlus 6T has been the best out of all my other devices aside from the Galaxy S9. So let's say I get lucky and I'm going on an international vacation. You know what, I don't have to worry about signal because I pretty much have most of the bands that's available. And for reason number 2, the display. Now you do have a smaller chin and notch, and it's also slightly bigger. You're going from 6.28 inches into 6.41 inches, which really isn't that big of a jump, but it's still nice to have. Unlike the OnePlus 6, which actually had a bigger notch, so with a bigger notch, you do have less real estate on this notification bar. So now for me, when I'm getting text messages or any other notifications, I do have a lot more space so I can see what's going on. I don't really have to, open up my phone and pull down that notification bar to see what kind of notifications I'm missing out on. And finally, my number 1 reason why I got the OnePlus 6T. Most of you guys are probably going to agree with me on this. Number 1, the built-in fingerprint reader in the display. Now this technology, I've been waiting for this technology on the Galaxy S7, the S8, then the S9. It never came out into the market and was just pretty much just rumors year after year. So to finally have a fingerprint reader built into the display, it really does feel like you're in the future. Now a lot of people are complaining that the fingerprint reader on the OnePlus 6T is not as fast as the one on the OnePlus 6, but I do have to say that this is a new technology and it is pretty cool, and that animation pretty cool as well. So if I actually had to downgrade back to the OnePlus 6T, I have to admit, even though this is a bit slower, I would still miss using this. When the phone is faced down or like it's on a table, pretty much all you gotta do is just place your thumb. And I do agree that sometimes the fingerprint reader doesn't really register, or it does take some time. So that's why I have Face Unlock, and Face Unlock on the OnePlus 6T as well as the OnePlus 6, it's pretty much instantaneous. So with a fast Face Unlock and with the built-in fingerprint reader in the display, they both work as a team and it works really well. Now I do have to mention that this was also my first OnePlus device. So those are my top 5 reasons why I actually picked up the OnePlus 6T over the OnePlus 6. Now if I had to make this purchase again, would I buy the OnePlus 6 over the OnePlus 6T? I probably would consider it carefully because there really isn't much differences jumping back and forth, and the main thing that makes this phone shine above the rest is the software experience. And the OnePlus 6 is about over $100 cheaper. So let's say I actually lost my OnePlus 6T and I had to get another OnePlus device, I probably would choose the OnePlus 6 over this. But make no mistake, this is my most favorite device. I've been using this consistently and it's been super awesome. There's just something about this fingerprint reader, it just feels cool. And there's a few things that I would like to add as well. Now number 1, this was also my first OnePlus device, and since I'm doing a tech channel, I thought it would be probably fair to my fans that I would actually get the latest and greatest OnePlus device for me to review. Number 2, this was a gift, so I didn't really have to pay for it. Money wasn't really an issue, so why not get the best device that's available out there. Number 3, I was also at the keynote live at the event, and I did get a first-hand look at the OnePlus 6T. And I do have to say that left a really good impression on me, and it's been on my mind ever since. And finally, OnePlus really loves its fans. They do a nice job at marketing that, and they do have a nice community. They really truly go out and beyond when it comes to fans, Now, customer service might be a little iffy, but I do have to say, no other company like Samsung, Apple, LG, no other company reaches out to their fans and connects with their fans like OnePlus. So it's been a great experience having a OnePlus device and being a OnePlus customer. And so far, I am loving my OnePlus 6C device. This is Altered Tech signing out. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me up in the comment section below. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.